Advanced Natural Language Processing (NLP) techniques. NLP has evolved significantly, now using deep learning architectures like transformers to interpret text data with context and meaning. Models like BERT and GPT employ attention mechanisms that help understand sentence structure and semantics. NLP applications are widespread, powering text generation, translation services, sentiment analysis, and conversational AI, such as chatbots. Time series forecasting with machine learning. Time series forecasting models predict future outcomes based on past data. By analyzing patterns of seasonality, trends, and other temporal factors, models like ARIMA, Prophet, and LSTMs are highly effective in forecasting. Applications include sales predictions, stock market trends, and weather forecasting. Reinforcement learning in data science, reinforcement learning, or RL, enables agents to learn by interacting with environments and maximizing cumulative rewards. Techniques like Q-learning and policy gradients are fundamental to RL. It's utilized in gaming AI, such as AlphaGo, robotics, autonomous driving, and even dynamic pricing strategies. Graph data science and network analysis. Graph data science focuses on interpreting relationships within data, using techniques such as graph neural networks, GNNs, and network analysis. This area is critical for understanding social networks, enhancing recommendation engines, detecting fraud, and analyzing biological networks. Federated learning and its privacy implications. Federated learning allows decentralized devices to train models locally, protecting user privacy while reducing centralized data storage. This is particularly beneficial for privacy-sensitive applications in healthcare, finance, and mobile apps. Advanced feature engineering for model enhancement. Feature engineering creates or modifies variables to improve model outcomes. Common techniques include generating polynomial features, adding interaction terms, and applying domain-specific transformations. This process is vital for predictive analytics and model improvement in tasks like fraud detection, customer segmentation, and disease prediction. Anomaly detection for fraud and intrusion detection. Anomaly detection focuses on identifying unusual data points or patterns. Techniques like isolation forests, one-class SVMs, and autoencoders are popular for detecting fraud in finance, intrusion in cybersecurity, and quality control in manufacturing. Ensemble learning methods, boosting and bagging. Ensemble learning combines multiple models to improve predictive accuracy. Bagging methods, such as random forests, and boosting methods, like XGBoost and LightGBM, are highly effective. They are used across credit scoring, medical diagnosis, marketing analytics, and image classification. Deep learning for computer vision. In computer vision, models such as CNNs, YOLO, and UNIT enable machines to analyze and interpret images. CNNs excel at image recognition, while YOLO and Mask CNN perform object detection and segmentation, with applications in facial recognition, autonomous driving, medical imaging, and quality inspection. Data science in the Internet of Things. IoT data science involves collecting and analyzing data from connected devices in real time. It enables predictive maintenance, supports smart city initiatives, facilitates real-time health monitoring, and optimizes supply chains.